Hey, good morning and lots of Fafula again. So we are in the day 4 of hiking in the Annapurna circuit regions, and yes, so we are starting from Sami, the Hotel Eagle Eye, yeah. And today's our final destination is Upper Pisa, which is at 3,200 meters. So yeah, talking about today's we gonna see the biggest apple farm in Nepal, which is Brathang, and also like very scenic landscape and the beautiful majestic Annapurna too. Now from today we are jumping to the alpine zone, and also we're gonna see the heaven store, which is like a heavens. And yeah, this is it. Are you guys ready?
Ready.